Hey yo, what's up guys, it's me Mr. Game here. Today I'm very excited to show you guys 3 products that I bought recently from Moment. I have recently shared with you guys the Nomad USB Type-C cable. If you haven't watched it, you may want to click on the link above to watch. That cable is amazing but expensive. I'm actually very excited to show you guys the Moment bag that I actually wanted to get since they launched, but they went out of stock. I waited for months to get it, so I can't wait. But today I'm just going to show you guys another interesting grip, the mobile grip from ShoulderPod. There are so many mobile grips out there in the market. Why do I choose this one? Let me explain. But first, let's take a moment to unbox this. First impression of the box is nice, very minimalist. Side of the box explain the product detail, the handle grip, and also the handle itself. The back basically shows what's inside the box and how to use. On the right hand side, they mention about the design and crafted in Barcelona. Basically anyone in the trade can use these, be a photographer, filmmaker, journalist, sport fans, and travelers. I must give credit to the people behind, as this is a well thought packaging with respect of the product. I love how everything is properly laid out. First up, let's get a closer look of the handle. It's made out of Sapele wood, one of the wood that came from the Africa. It's commonly used in tailor's guitar and also interior and exterior, and it's a very good piece of wood, and I'm actually surprised that they are using this wood to make it as a handle grip. Picking up for the first time, everything looks so beautiful. There's a very nice sense to it. But once I hold it, I found that this is not well buffered. I still can feel some roughness to the wood itself. But it's not a big issue. Let's look at the plastic holder. What's special about this thing is it can hold any size of your phone, be it the plus size model, with or without case on. This holder is so strong that you just need to twist and turn, and it will secure your phone safely. Lastly will be the wrist strap. Are you a mobile creative? Yes, I do. I use phone to capture this whole entire video and using an iPad to edit this. So let's look at the menu. It's really simple. Once you open it up, there's thank you, there's a warranty card, and there's a very nice photography of the product itself. Extra menu on how to use it and how to secure your phone. And beneath it, there's a club membership card. Alright, let's now piece everything up. Because this product is so modular, you just basically have to get handle grip and the handle bar itself. Both of them has this 1/4 inch screw mount below. So right now I'm gonna mount my iPhone 7 Plus. All you do is to unscrew on the top of the plastic handle grip, and you can just secure your phone firmly. Right now it's very secure. Whenever I shake, it won't have that shakiness or even drop out. So when you are doing filming, it will be also good and serve it as a stabilizer. As because bottom has this 1/4 inch screw mount, you can actually mount on any tripod. Then you can extend it longer if you need. So looking at it, it's really well built, and I love how the whole combination it is. So I didn't actually place my hand wrist strap in because I think it's good enough. But if you are somebody who are very cumbersome, make sure you slide that wrist strap into it. And this is just the S2 package. They have a lot of package on their website, like the G1, the S2, which is what I have, the R2, the pocket whip, where you can mount your microphone, and the X1, the Pro whip, the microphone, and your lighting system into one stand. So they also sell parts that if let's say you have lost any parts, you can just basically go to a website and just buy it. It's so modular, it's just like Lego. So if you guys really like this product like I do, feel free to check their website out. If you don't mind spending a little bit more money for quality goods, this is a great shoulder pod, or I should call it a great mobile handle grip. Alright guys, that's the end of the video, and I really hope you enjoy it. Feel free to like this video if you like it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, thanks, bye.